Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Micah here, ChiCityYaker. Thank you for joining me on this trip here. Beautiful, beautiful day out on Lake Michigan. We're just now getting out. I overslept, but we're not gonna let that stop us from putting some fish into the kayak here. Looking for some coho, of course. We're here in the southern basin of Lake Michigan, Indiana waters. I'm also gonna try and mix it up, man. We're gonna try to do some casting. We're gonna try and do some vertical jigging. Let's see if we can kind of get a variety of fish on a variety of presentations and tactics here. That's the goal for today. Now, of course, what I want to do from what actually happens is going to be two totally different things. So we're going to find out if these fish are going to cooperate here. We're going to do some casting, like I said, some vertical jigging, try to do some coho, of course, some Lakers, maybe some browns. Let's see if we can kind of do a trifecta, if you will. I'm not going to say it's a challenge because I don't want to put that pressure on myself, but let's see what's going to happen here. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Casting for cohos, baby. Smacked it right at the boat. Smacked it right at the boat. Super fun catching them this way. All right, buddy, chill out. All right, first fish of the day, casting for cohos today. Let's try and get some more. There we go. There we go. Feels good. Something, guys. What is it? Is it a bass? No. We got us a coho. There it is. Oh man, smashed the blade bait. Oh, it's a nice one too. Absolutely destroyed that blade bait right in his mouth. No. There we go. All right. Nice one. Perfect eater size. About 20, maybe 21 inches. Blade bait casting for cohos, guys. There we go. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, folks. The little coho, I could tell. Little guy. We're waiting to get bit. Got one casting. Oh, careful, careful. Oh my God. All right. Got him. All right. It's a little guy. Super cold. This is it's actually It's actually a good sized little eater. He's a little guy though, we're gonna throw him back. There we go, fish on, fish on, fish on. Oh, he's fighting good. Smacked him up. All right, all right, all right. Went right over a pod of fish. He's on there. Went right over a pod of fish, man. Smacked him. Perfect timing. Let's get this guy in here. So things have changed up a little bit here. We've been a mix of casting, a mix of trolling. We're back and forth, we're back and forth. All right, let's see where he's at down here. He's swimming down here somewhere. You see him just yet. He's swimming along with the boat. No. He's trying to get off. I think he ate it pretty good. Pretty sure he ate it pretty good. Let's find out here. Beautiful, beautiful silverfish. Whew. Another one. Beautiful, beautiful coho. Starting to notice a trend here. These fish have pushed out a little bit away because the water near shore is warmed up a little too much. So we're trying to figure out and stay right in that 50-degree temps, and that's where I'm getting bit. All right, guys, wrapping up today's trip, a little recap. We went 2 casting, 2 trolling, threw one back because it was a little too small, and so I kept 3. I was hoping to get a 5-fish limit. That didn't pan itself out. It was a little bit of a work today. Multiple things worked, but it just wasn't on rapid fire. So, hey, we still came out with 3 beautiful coho. Not complaining whatsoever. It was a beautiful day out here on Lake Michigan. And if you enjoyed this video, throw it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and we'll talk again real soon. Later, guys. Hey, if you're looking for all the gear, tackle, items, accessories, and clothing that I'm using to go kayak fishing on Lake Michigan for big salmon and trout, then consider stopping by my Amazon storefront and checking out all the items that I am using on every trip out to put big fish into the kayak. And the best part of all of this is that if you pick up any of these items, it supports me as a content creator at no additional cost to you. So check out that link in the description below, and thank you for your support.